Day 1 of our van build. First, we would like to acknowledge Alex's dad, who really helped us out a lot. He probably cut our labor time in half that day, so we really appreciate it. And you guys will definitely see more of him in our future van videos. So the first big task is to strip everything out of the van. And yes, we mean everything. That way you can see the true integrity of the van. So if there's any scuff marks, dents, rust spots, paint, we can go ahead and fix those problems and we can have the best quality van possible for our build. And what's also really important is when we start building the van, we have to be able to insulate properly. That way we don't get too hot during summer and we don't get too cold during winter. And you cannot insulate if all of those boards are still up on the van, which you will see a lot more of later. We did buy a used van, so we also wanted to clean it and vacuum out all the previous dust and dirt from the previous owners, because this is going to be our home. We're going to live in it full time. So we want it to be as comfortable and as safe and as clean as possible. So now that the side panels and the headboard are taken off, you can already see a huge difference in the van. And so our last big task of the day is to remove the flooring and vacuum, sweeping, cleaning, and vacuuming some more. Thankfully, this van was in really good condition and we were actually quite pleased and surprised at how well this van was taken care of. The only thing that took us a little while was vacuuming out the entire floor of the van because of all the grooves and little pockets. So that was a bit of a challenge, but honestly, we were so happy with the van. So now we're just doing a final wipe down of our van, making sure that it is beautiful and shiny. And day 1's complete.